So I just put my Apple Wallet in the washing machine right here, and it is very wet, and you can even see there's some damage on it. Actually, you can see this thing's peeling up, and the back side, like, it's a lot more flimsy. I've had it for about a year and a half, but it's really wet and it feels soapy. So the best thing you can do is you can just put this thing like in some water, get all the soap off, and then you can dry it really well, even if it means leaving it in the sun for 24 hours or just putting it in like an air vent, or just like blowing it with an air dryer. Like, you want to dry this thing really well, take out all the cards especially, and maybe even prop this open, because the inside is the hardest to dry by far. And you can see the lifespan is only about 2 years. This thing has done me well, but it's still holding up and will continue to hold up because I'm taking care of it, but it will go bad eventually. So yeah, this is the best you can do. Just dry it really, really well and get all the soap off, and you should hopefully be good to go.